Councillors in Portmore, St. Catherine have taken aim at members of the government for criticising the local authority for taking too long to give approval for the Naggo Head Primary School to build a perimeter fence to reduce several security breaches at the institution. The issue was hotly contested at the corporation's monthly meeting today. Krista Campbell has our story.
Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris Dixon in the Senate on Friday.
I know nobody spoke about the letter that I wrote to the municipality begging them to do the approval and that they've never responded to me. That's a part of here. I have all of the correspondence here.
Portmore Mayor Leon Thomas at Wednesday's monthly municipal corporation meeting 5 days later.
And I don't believe that she get the facts, but I'm advising her. Get the facts before you speak.
The councillors say they feel slighted by government members' criticism of the local authority moving sluggishly in giving approval for the Naggo Head Primary School to build a perimeter fence. In a letter, Member of Parliament for East Central St. Catherine, Orlando Terrelong, said the Education Ministry has allocated $40 million for the fencing to be done. And 2 years later, the municipal corporation has not given the approval. Mayor Leon Thomas's response.
We have given the school the go-ahead to start construction. And also, we have even gone a step further to give them a waiver to construct the fence at the school.
In fact, the mayor says that approval was given almost a month ago. It's why the councillors are accusing the education minister of being misinformed, and one councillor even going a step further.
It's a sad day when a minister, up until now, 1 week and odd, would have saw that she erred in her delivery and has not recanted or make a public statement afterwards.
So I'm surprised of the minister went to the Senate and holding documents saying that the Portmore City Municipality did not grant approval over a period of time for the fence to be built, and if NARA was around, that would not.
If it is that one entity or a single entity would have made a rush decision, then the school perhaps would have just gotten the land, leaving the community out in the cold.
Now, the issue of the school fencing started in 2024 when the municipal corporation said the institution started building the fence without first getting approval from the local authority. A church, which has been occupying the 8.1-acre property for 24 years, was at risk of being evicted as the Citizens Association insisted it was given the land to build a park. The municipal corporation says settling the dispute in a manner that benefits all parties has taken some time, but noted that the process had to first go through several state bodies.
And the no objection letter came from NEPA November 1st, 2024. That letter was written. The Portmore City Municipality sent their no objection letter March 31st, 2025. And the Ministry of Education sent their no objection letter May 16th, 2025, which would have been 6 months after NEPA wrote to them.
The church has been allowed to lease 1.9 acres of the land, while the community park and school will occupy the remaining 6.2 acres. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Coming up later in this newscast, U.S. President Donald Trump lands in China for high-stakes talks. We'll be right back.